This is FUJI Apeos C325z printer. This is the toner access door. These are the toner cartridges with toner waste collection unit. This is the cleaning rod. Recommended voltage input of this printer is 220 to 240 volts. Here are the port interface. Where we will connect the LAN cable. And USB cable as well. Now we will connect the power cable. Here is the power button. Printer now on ready state. The control panel is touchscreen. Now we will going to explore the control panel menu. Let's check now for paper size on tray 1 and 2. Paper size in printer setting must be the same, with paper placed in the tray. Let's select supplies. You will see the percent remaining of the supplies. Billing meters shows the number of printed pages of the machine. Some changes of the settings requires restart of the machine to take effect. Print accounting lets the server to limit the amount of prints to the end users. Initialize NVMe option resets settings under its selection. Adjust image quality lets you improve the result of the printout you wished for. You can also select Continue Printing when the drum life ends. Pressing this icon will instantly reveal the network IP address. Now we will going to remove the toner cartridge and waste toner collection unit. In removing the toner cartridge, just press this part to unlock. Notice that there are connectors for the chips of cartridge and waste toner collection unit. Now we will use the cleaning rod to clean the lead print head. Notice the arrowed part of the cleaning rod. Then slow insert the cleaning rod into one of the 4 holes of the tabs on the drum cartridge until it stops, and then pull it out. This will remove the unwanted stripes on the printout. Then return back the cleaning rod on its place. Now we will install back the toner waste collection unit, as well as the 4 toner cartridges. Notice the color of the toner to avoid toner cartridge installation confusion. After the installation of toner cartridge in waste toner collection unit, then close the toner cartridge access door. This is the standard tray with 250 sheets capacity on plain paper type. Recommended paper thickness for this tray is between 60 to 176 GSM. Here are its paper size indicators. This sign indicates to avoid performing this method. Paper guides must be well fit on the paper. Now this is a multi-purpose tray with 50 sheets capacity. Like the standard tray, this multi-purpose tray allows to feed 60 to 176 GSM type of paper. Now we also have here the ADF scanner with 50 sheets capacity. Recommended size to load here is legal while for GSM is 60 to 105. Here is the flatbed scanner for thicker document. Notice the arrow indicator for paper correct placement. Printing supplies. Status page. Now we will going to print supplies status page. Just go to information pages. Then press supplies status report. Supplies status displays the number of sheets printed on each cartridge. Drum cartridge life remaining, also reflected here. Performing ID copy feature. This is how to perform during ID copy features. Place the front side of ID. Press ID card copy. Take note on placement instructions. We will try to place the ID right here. So this is the result on this ID scan position. So we will try another position. So we will copy the back portion of ID in the same position. So notice the difference. Performing Scan to Smartphone. In order to use the Scan to CP, end users may download Print Utility v3 on their CP. So these are the icons on the menu screen. You can tap here to register the printer. Tap the FUJI Apeos C325z printer. Just tap OK here. Once connected, the printer driver appears here. We will check now the Skin Settings option of the printer. We will now scan the document. So we will save the JPEG file to photo album. Now we will try the PDF format. Now we will open this to PDF Viewer and download the PDF file. Performing Secure Print feature. Secure Print feature is applicable for documents that need privacy. All you need to do is to follow this process walkthrough. Secure Print must have a user ID and passcode. Don't mind the document, as what you see is changing. Just follow the process. Then click Print to send and store the print job temporarily to printer. When print is pressed, Secure Print job is stored temporarily in the printer. Tap right here to access the Secure Print job. Then enter the 4-digit passcode. Then select the print job that you want to print. The Secure Print job is printed without worries. Performing basic troubleshooting. You can open this area to clean the ADF scanner glass. In case of duplex copy dirty output, here is its ADF top cover. When paper jam occurs in the ADF, just open the ADF top cover. And lock this area to remove the jammed paper. Slowly remove to avoid damage. Now a paper was jammed in the fusor area. To remove the paper, just open the rear door. You can use your two hands at each side to remove the paper. Remove it slowly to avoid printer part damage. Close the rear door after removing the paper. This time we will remove the jammed paper inside the printer. Notice this blue lock. Then open to remove easily the jammed paper. Then close back the registration paper pad. Don't forget to return back the standard tray.